If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. We have finally now been given the signal that we have been waiting for. So a bullish signal has now flashed. This is called the golden cross, where the 55 crosses over on top of the 200 EMA. This is exactly what we needed to see to confirm that this trend is bullish. And with this cross forming, we can see a huge wick rejection off of the 220 EMA over here. In fact, you can see that we did penetrate below this low, and in my last few updates we were suggesting that at all costs this low now needs to hold, and we got all the way down there, kissed the 200 EMA but closed above. This is exactly what we were talking about in my last Vechain update from yesterday, where we see that this had not yet actually formed. And let me zoom in to the closer in TA, and we marked out those key levels for you guys over here in yesterday's update, suggesting that at all costs we must hold above this. You can come down to the 200, but we must close above this on the 4-hour time frame, as this is what we're analyzing on. And of course we saw that dump continuation, kissed the 200 EMA, suggesting that this is the bottom of our uptrend. We reclaimed that low over there. These are huge bullish signals flashing on the Vechain chart on the short-term time frames, but also on the long term, as we've been given this bullish signal, the golden cross, which previously has not been given. I'm going to now show you the times in the past where we've seen failures, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share these updates. We're very close to 7k subscribers. I know that we could hit that before the end of this month, and if you want to get educated, message me, links in the description, over on Twitter for a discount promo code on my course, mentorship or ebook. So we can see previously over here the 55 failed to cross the 200. It resulted in a dump. Another time where the 55 failed to cross the 200 resulted in a dump. These are called EMA repels. So this is what we really needed to avoid yesterday. And with such an aggressive dump, if it did close down here, it's less likely that this would have crossed over. In fact, it's more likely that if we closed over here, that we're eventually looking to lose this, where we see the EMA repel, which on the last two occasions signals for dumps. But the fact that before the daily candle close, we managed to reclaim that low, which I mentioned in yesterday's update over here, then of course we're now showing bulls have stepped in, protecting a low, protecting another low, and then seeing this bullish cross now form. So at all costs we just need to maintain above that. It's above the golden pocket, which now suggests that the possibility of meeting our targets over here is much more likely. So continue to hold the golden pocket and the 255 golden cross, as well as this low and 20 moving average, and we will continue to these targets. If we do dump from here, just back to this 1272 or previous resistance, now support for continuation. If there's a lot of momentum, we just might go and skyrocket into there. So Vechain could be about to melt faces, explosions could be about to come. So keep your eyes peeled, as this bullish signal has now flashed, and we don't have to worry too much as long as we are holding above this key area of support over here. We're looking for continuation higher. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share. If you want to get educated, have multiple things in place, just private message me. And I know that's the hardest step to take, but once you take that step, you're going to be put on the right path, and then it's just down to you to have determination, discipline and consistency to get to the end goal, because all the information will be provided. It's down to you to build the house with the tools that I give. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one. Use the links in the description down below. Hope to see more of you joining the community. Cheers. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month, so that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.